So I may have lost my drone. The battery just ran short. So now I'm going down a bit of a cliff. I don't know if you can kind of see behind and in front of me, but we just pulled into this people's place. They were so lovely from Byron Bay, and they showed me a photo of how I could get down to where my drone is and explain exactly where to go. So here I am on a little mission to go and get this drone. Hopefully it still survived, and hopefully it's near where I think it is. But yeah, so grateful for those people that were from Byron Bay and have been living here for 4 years. Guy and Anna, I think it was. And they showed me an aerial view of how to get here. So here I go. Woohoo! Also, I should probably mention it's 42 degrees, and yeah, I've got my two-way with me and sculled a heap of water. I feel like I'm on a bit of an adventure, which, if you know me, I love adventure. Holy dooly. What a view. Wow. Alright, I made it.
Any signs of the drone?
Onto the beach. Scaling this cliff, which is pretty hectic. No signs of the drone, just heading up the beach now. See if we can find it, hey? Well, I did not find the drone. Mission unsuccessful. However, I did find one of the most secluded parts of Australia and go for a swim in the mermaid pools, and now I'm going up this cliff. That's where I came down. So yeah, wish me luck. I said I think I've done the hardest part. That was hectic. Where's this track? Tell you what, on a 42+ degree day on the South Australian border, oh my God, it's hot out here, mate. Anyway, I think I'm safe off the cliff face. It's a bit more flat here, so made it. No drone though, so that bloody sucks. Oh well. Hey Malcolm, the little fella got a little bit shy, so I thought I'll take a video of my glasses and then I can show him. Thank you.
No worries. Your drone and your something else is in that.
Great SD card and the ice maker. Thank you.
That will come in handy.
It will, yeah. Definitely need it for those cocktails.
Could have used it a couple of days ago.
Yes, definitely. Thanks, mate. See you.
What are we doing here, Dial?
You tell me.
The sticker board in the area of where you roughly lost it.
DJ.
Why'd you put it over the other sticker for?
Drone.
What do you think, kids?
Good. Good. Not good. Oh, not good. Yeah, no, it was not good losing the drone, was it?
Symbol for the new one.